Who is known as the father of the nation in India? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Which is the national animal of India? Answer is tiger. Which river is the longest in India? Correct answer is Ganga. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the national currency of India? Answer is rupee. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Answer is Diwali. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. What is the national sport of India? Answer is field hockey. Which is the national bird of India? Answer is peacock. Which is the smallest state in India by area? Answer is Goa. India got independence in which year? Answer is August 15, 1947. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? Answer is Kanchenjunga. Who was the first president of India? Answer is Rajendra Prasad. Which is the longest dam in India? Answer is Hirakud Dam. Which Indian city is known as the Pink City? Answer is Jaipur. Which is the cleanest city in India? Recent rankings. Answer is Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Which is the national reptile of India? Answer is crocodile. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which is the national song of India? Answer is Vande Mataram. Which is the largest river island in India? Answer is Majalai. What is the national fruit of India? Answer is mango. Which Indian language has the most speakers? Answer is Hindi. Which state is famous for tea production? Answer is Assam. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? Answer is dolphin. What is the national emblem of India? Answer is Ashoka Lion capital. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Answer is Gujarat. Which is the largest desert in India? Answer is Thar Desert. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Which is the national calendar of India? Answer is Saka calendar. Which is the highest civilian award in India? Answer is Bharat Ratna. Which state is known as the land of five rivers? Answer is Punjab. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer is Indira Gandhi. Which is the largest lake in India? Answer is Chilka Lake. Which is the national heritage animal of India? Answer is elephant. Which Indian state is famous for backwaters? Answer is Kerala. Who discovered India by sea route? Answer is Vasco da Gama. Which is the largest railway network zone in India? Answer is Northern Railway. Which is the longest railway platform in India? Answer is Hubli. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? Answer is Aravalli Range. Which state of India has the largest population? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which city is known as the City of Lakes? Answer is Udaipur. Which is the largest port in India? Answer is Mumbai Port. Which Indian city is famous for Charminar? Answer is Hyderabad. Which is the largest plateau in India? Answer is Deccan Plateau. Which river flows through Delhi? Answer is Yamuna. Which Indian city is known as the Blue City? Answer is Jodhpur. Which is the southernmost point of India? Answer is Indira Point. Which Indian state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Answer is Kerala. Which is the largest delta in India? Answer is Sundarban Delta. Which Indian state is the largest producer of rice? Answer is West Bengal. Which is the coldest place in India? Answer is Dras. Ladakh in Kargil district. Which is the richest state in India by GDP? Answer is Maharashtra. Which is the fastest train in India? Answer is Vande Bharat Express. Which is the busiest railway station in India? Answer is Howrah Junction. What did Rakesh Sharma say when asked how India looks from space?
Answer is Sare Jahan se acha.
Which ocean lies to the south of India? Answer is Indian Ocean. Which is the largest river in India by volume? Answer is Brahmaputra River. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Answer is Bengaluru. Which Indian state is famous for the festival Pongal? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Which Indian state is known for bamboo production? Answer is Mizoram.